Hello, as part of our remote math learning, we will be using I Know It. I Know It is an interactive math program you can access by going to Safari and typing in iknowit.com into the search bar. The other way to get here is to go to your Math Google Classroom and click on the link which I will post. Either way, that will bring you to this sign-in page, and you just need to come up here to the login button and click login. That will bring up a dialog box, and this says I am a student, so you can leave that. This says class code, and you're going to enter your class code. Everyone in my class has the same class code. It's STRAIGHT, S-T-R-A-I-T. And then the username and password for everyone follows a pattern. It will be your first name and your last initial. So your username and your password will be the same, and it will be your first name and your last initial, or the first letter in your last name. Watch while I sign in for a sample student. His name is Sam Smith. So I'm going to type in his first name, Sam, and then his last name is Smith, so it starts with an S, and that's all I have to type. His password is exactly the same. It's Sam S. Your username and password are your first name and the first letter of your last name. So there's Sam S. And then I'm going to click login. And that will bring me to Sam's homepage. This is my homepage, and Sam's assignments. This says my assignments. And you can see this is Sam's homepage because it says hi Sam. Yours will say hi, and it will be your first name. When you get to this page, you're going to see your assignments. This is all of the assignments that you have been pushed out, that have been pushed out to you. Please complete one assignment per day. You are welcome to complete more than one a day. However, I would like for all of your Seesaw must-do activities to be done before you come back here, and then you are welcome to go and complete as many as you'd like. But I want to make sure that you have all of your must-dos in Seesaw done before you come back and do the choice work. You are required to do just one per day. So let's go and see what one of these assignments looks like. This is reading and writing numbers up to 999. And if you see, this shows a voice box. So if I click that, it will read everything that's on the screen. So I'm going to click it.
What number is shown? 532, 523.
All right, so now I need to pick. I need to look at the place value blocks, and I see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hundreds, 2 tens, which is 20, so 520, and then I see the 3 ones, so I have 523. Now I need to go down. I need to make sure, I need to look very carefully at the letters to make sure that I'm picking the right one. I see that this is 500, but this is also 500. Uh-oh, and both of these words start with a T. So I need to be very careful that I read the entire word so I know which one is 523. So let's see, there's 500, and that one says th. It starts with a TH, which I know 20 starts with a TW, so it can't be this one. This one says 532. Let me go read this one. 523. Yes, this one is 523. So I'm going to click it and hit submit. And the little astronaut tells me I did great. I got it right. Now it's going to go to another problem. And I'm going to click on the voice box to have it read to me.
Fill in the number that matches the word form.
Now, it's not going to read this to me because I need to know how to read these numbers. Now, I can, if I'm stuck, go down here and use the hint box. I don't want to use the hint box every time. If I do that, I'm taking away my learning. But if I'm really stuck and I've tried sounding it out, or I've tried solving the problem on the screen and I am still stuck, then, and I've tried everything else, I've persevered, I'm going to go down here to the hint and I'm going to click on it. And it's going to give me a hint. Look at that. I see 300s, see 410, so 342. Let me go back and see if the letters look like that. 342. 342. 342. Yes, I'm going to write that. So let's see. 300, there's my 300s. 40, there's my 4 tens, which is 40. And 2, there's my 2 ones, which is 2. Now I'm going to see if I'm right. I'm going to submit my answer. And apparently I got it right. Now I'm not going to do any more, but I just wanted you to see how it works. So remember, you can come here, and if you need help, you can click the hint box, but use that as a very last resort. You can use the voice box. When you're done, you don't have to finish. I can stop here. I can see that I completed 2 out of 15, and I have a score of 2, so I've gotten both of them correct. I'm going to come up here. If I need to log out, I need to go take a break or eat lunch, I can hit log out. And then it'll bring me back to the login screen. And when I'm ready to go back, I can just go back in and hit that assignment and it'll pick up where I left off. All right, there you go. That's how you use it. Please remember you can access this by going to iknowit.com in Safari. Go to your math classroom and click on the link. Either way, it'll bring you here. You can log in. You are expected to do 1 assignment a day, but after your must-dos in Seesaw are done, you're welcome to do as many as you like. Have fun.